welcome to Affordable Classics in Glassell, Oregon. Here is a gorgeous triple black 62 Ford Thunderbird. They're considered as bullet birds. The emblems, the wires, the white walls, very nice, hood, all the stainless, beautiful fender skirts, vinyl top, excellent condition. Come with the dual exhaust, nice T-bird correct emblem with the turquoise bird. There again, the body lines are just gorgeous. The paint is over the top. The front seats, no rips, no tears. The dash, the same. Rear seats, also in good shape. Door panels, beautiful, except it has a couple little hairlines on both sides, both panels. I don't know why, but it does. There again, engine compartment, nice 390 V8, has air conditioning, power steering. This little bird has all the power package, double added package. Power seats, here again. Data plate, and also the tilt-to-weight steering wheel, custom steering wheel, front seats, very nice, rear, same, has power seats also. Trunk mat, very nice. It needs a tire cover. Other than that, that's the best part. Start to get those. There we go. See ya.